Hey, look at that. We're live. We're doing things once again. Look at that. My screen isn't frozen. That's awesome. Hey. Hi. How's it going? Happy you're in your comfy spot, Adam. Yeah, sorry for the delay. For context, I was working on the chunker of a video of like NeoVim stuff, and then yeah, I've kind of looped around to just in time for what? What did I do? What did I sneak in for? Were you just about to click off, Ari? Damn, we got a whole motherfucking squad here. We got Waka, we got Ari, we got fucking Adam, we got me. It's a whole set of beans. Motherfucker might as well call us the can. You're a kidnapper? Very good. No, I just joined and you happened to start them out. Oh yeah, fair enough. Yeah. Well, yeah, anyways, TLDR is in a somewhat short amount of time. There should hopefully be, a video uploaded on, like, Vim hotkeys and shit. Basically, a TLDR. So if any of you want to get started with Vim, there you go. Don't expect you to, but you get the idea. Why am I doing this? Okay, what thing are we reading? 9 movement, or is it just... No, it's a 9 movement. Good. Yeah, so that's what's going up. I'm not trying to go into that file. Excuse you? What? Why did you go into there? 9_movement got good. So we're experiencing an error online, whatever the fuck? 80. Got it. But yeah, how y'all doing? How's it going? What is it? You still demand that Bubs gives me a chocolate chip, Dorito? That sounds slightly cancerous. I was busy wasting away my short life, but I saw your notification. Well, hey. Welcome to Here and Existing, Waka. Hope you're enjoying it. What the hell's the issue here? Identifier cameras not declared in current scope. No, I remember this error. This error makes no fucking sense, doesn't it? Is it node camera? It might be node camera. I think it might be node camera that I'm thinking of. It's probably node camera. Node_camera? That's the only thing that I can think of right there. For context, what I'm trying to do today is I'm trying to get the movement real quickly to be based on the camera's direction of looking. And then if we can do that, then we should be good. So we at least aren't crashing now. Oh. We, like, already have it. Okay. The only issue is that the left and the right is messed up, but if I can fix that, then we're grooving. I don't recall working on that at all. I thought I was going to be struggling here for a while. I just realized I look a little bit dim. I should fix my dimness. I wasn't expecting that it was already done. I thought it was, like, hella broken. I remember leaving that last time being like, oh, dude, I'm so fucked. I'm going to have to come back here, and, like, that's going to be, like, the entire next stream. I don't even know what to do now. I wasn't ready for that. I was sitting here like, oh, yeah, like, whoop, I just broke. But, yeah, I was just sitting here, like, completely ready to be, like... Oh, yeah, no, I'm going to be screwed, like, this thing's going to be an absolute pain in the ass, I'm going to be sitting here, like, all night slamming my head against this, and just, oh, we're already done? Well, okay then. Just, okay, sure, like, why not? Let's do it. Let's go for it. That feels a bit bright still. Let me try tune this in a little bit. I think there is probably good. Let's try that. Okay. Well, let me very quickly just fix this real quickly, and then once I get that done, then yeah, I guess I'll leave an open-ended question of what the hell would you like me to do next, because I don't have anything strong, so we could either do, like, texture-based stuff, like we can start doing, like, I want to make a, what do you call it, a, what's the name of it, a texture sheet, not a texture sheet, a trim sheet, which I'll be using for a lot of, like, 3D model assets and stuff like that, right? And if you don't want to make a trim sheet, then we can do something else. I technically need to get the raycast working, too, but I'm not too concerned about that at the moment. So yeah, so would you like to work on a trim sheet? Would you like to work on a, should I work on visuals, or should I work on, some more mechanic stuff, like getting the player absolutely locked down? You know, I'm just gonna make a poll for this. let's make a poll. Let's make a poll. Let's make a poll. Poll time. Start poll. Let's see. Trim sheet question mark. Or no, sorry. It should be trim sheet or refine. What is it? Movement question mark. Trim me harder, daddy. And I want flawless speed. If we don't vote for the coding stuff, I will just do the coding stuff like off the stream. Sure, okay, only wanted to hear you, but hear you, okay, I'm out here. I mean, okay, fair enough. That's Sweet Waka.
Really wish to hear the sweet little sounds of my voice.
But yeah, poll is live. Vote for what you'd prefer, because I was honestly not expecting to have free time right now. And while you do that, I just remembered my Wacom pen is broken, so I should definitely order a new one. So let me slam that into the Amazon real quickly, because yeah, I need one. my pen, like the end of the pen, like around it, broke. So like the nib is like super inconsistent. What does the options even mean? So, speed means that, you want, me to work on, like, the coding, like, the base mechanics and stuff like that. A trim sheet is for me to do, like, the visualizations. So it's something I would use to, like, make, like, the world pretty, basically. So it's what I would use for, like, the first world as an example.
Imagine that there.
Let's see. I need the Wacom Pro Pen 2, I think. Wacom Pro Pen 2. Because my Pro Pen 2 is done to broken. Oh, it's on sale right now. What convenient timing. That's actually very fortunate for me. Yep, that seems to be my pen. The one that broke. That's very thrilling, because, yeah, that's what I wanted or something. Cintiq Pro. Yeah, that seems to be around my generation. Interactive pen display for business. Very good. Alright, let me double check one small thing real quickly before I hard commit to this. Okay, yeah.
I got the money, I ain't broke. Do do do.
Do I want to spend an extra $10 for the nibs? It's only the plastic nibs. Actually, no, I'll do this. I'll look up how much the Wacom nibs cost. Wacom nibs. Okay, they're like $20, so I'm actually going to be saving a little bit if I get the pack. Actually, what's the sales difference? That's the bigger thing. So I'm saving 8% one way, or I'm saving 17% the other way. Should I go for the plot twist? It's only a discount for you. That'd be funny, actually. Should I get the pen nibs, the one with the pen nibs, or just the case? Or not the case. The one with the pen nibs, or just the pen? That's my question. What should I do? What should I go for? Because I still have a chunk of nibs, but it doesn't hurt to have more in case I lose the donut. For context, the donut is the thing that the Wacom pen like comes with, whatever. Pen nibs ad, sure. I'll do the pen nibs ad. Let's see, buy now. Dum 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 dum. Because honestly, that my pen was broken last stream, and what's actually kind of funny about it, or sad, whatever, shmoney, is that my pen nibs wear out like super fast because like whenever I try to put pressure on it or anything like that, it just frickin' like bends the shice out of the nib. You want my credit card info? Well, come here and get it. Place my order. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Okay, so my order has been placed. They will be arriving here in 2 days, and then the nibs separately in 3 days. So heck yeah. Anyways, yeah, okay, with that little saga over, yeah, no, I was expecting that to take forever. So I am seeing votes for speed. How many votes though? 1 vote. Okay, well, I guess Adam wins. Alright. Let's see, be there in like one day. Be there before me, whatever you call it. Be there before you're buying tickets right now. I'm pretty sure whatever you were spending on tickets will cost you more than whatever money I have. I am what you call not well off. Okay, so where are we going with this? So, I know I needed the raycast, right? So let's see, we got the movement, and then we got the jumping function down here, right? Or no, the jumping function's above, isn't it? I think the jumping function's above. Movement Y, yeah. So movement Y. I'll expand this later to include water if I add any water. What I want to do first, though, is so there's going to be an issue here somewhere, which is what the main concern is. So let's see. Yes, I really wish to add to it. Goodbye. Okay, so this is what I hate about Godot a lot, is that it's like yelling at me now. You know, I should probably bug what's their name? I should probably bug Harley about the Godot C# stuff, because that would be very nice. Oh, so still an error right here. What's the error here? Oh, because camera. It's node underscore camera. And then it's not negative, it's just node camera. Alright, let's try reload that. I'm not going to try jump, and then I'm going to try jump, and then we're going to see what happens. Alright, so all that's good. It's moving with the camera, so awesome. Jump. Alright, jump died. Let's see. Cannot get global position on the thingy thing. Oh yeah, because you're gone now. So you would just be like self.global position. And then the raycast end would just be whatever you call it. So where's 9? So you would just be detection. I'm gonna rename you just detection, because detection core sounds weird. Detection core. Let's see, and then jump. That's just jump underscore raycast underscore end. Yep, that seems good. We'll save that. Let's try to give that a reload and see how this goes. What happened to you? Invalid access to key property global underscore position on blah, 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 blah. Yeah, because you're just detection. There we are. Let's try to reload you. Come on, one more time, 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 one more time. Boing. Okay, that's also a missed typo. Cool, that's awesome. It's really weird how Godot doesn't try to do like doesn't give you like LSP warnings for like typos. Okay, so it's working. It's just not working the way that I want it to, so that's awesome. Let's see. As someone who is 17.5 years old, I do not have the money nor the time to actually do that. Shocker. Oh, absolutely crazy there. You're blowing my mind, Smalls. Let me find a good song, because I just realized I'm not listening to any music, which is awkward. I haven't listened to a lot of music today, actually, because of the editing. And it's not that I absolutely need music, but it's like, it's a nice to have, you know? It's definitely a QOL thing.
A quality of life. A quality of length.
Let's see, where am I going with this? So, let me also reply to one little quick message. Let's see. There we are. Now you have to listen to my newest song. I mean, I definitely can. Do you want me to listen to it right now and give my live reactions as a side tangent? Do you wish for me to judge you in real time? Live? In front of a live studio audience? Sure. Okay, so I'm not going to stream it with audio because, you know, YouTube copyright and stuff, but I will listen to it right now. So, hey, to those of you at home, pump up Adam's view count and be sure to give him a listen. So we got like some bongo sounding things. I don't know what it actually is, but I'm assuming it's bongos. Let's see. with like the hi-hats. This gives me like, I don't mean this in like a bad way, obviously. It gives me like Windows XP like computer game vibes. You know what I mean? Like this is like some like semi-techy thing that's like supposed to be in like Star Trek or something, right? And it's like, this is like the thing where it's like, you know, it's like you like start off with like a small little tunnel, and then it's like the idea is like you're moving fast and like the world opens up. It's like, yeah. Just what you're looking for, epic. I mean, hey, if that's what you're going for, you nailed it. And then right now it's kind of like some like tech house. This is what I'm getting for vibes. Right about a minute. I'm just gonna skim this because I don't think listening to the whole thing on stream is gonna be the most thrilling thing for people to witness. So a little bit of a break. There's like an ARP thing happening like here. It's giving me like what is it? It's like arpeggio of the strings or something like that vibes. You know that like one very famous Tiesto song that kind of like launched him. Now the chaos hits. Or not the chaos, but you know, the antagonist shows up. Let's see. Triumphing. Break. You think it's over. Back to normalcy. It's picking up again. The revenge of the antagonist. And then now it's actually over. You will become a better person or something.
No, it's a nice little doodle. It's a nice little odd toe doodle. I'll tell you what.
You know, I have nothing strong to say about it. So let's see. So what did I just type? Okay, I don't know why I erased that. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go back out. And I'm gonna go down to here. And then I'm going to go to, so we're on the movement Y, which is right here. So what I need to figure out is why the heck this is tripping out. Because this tripping out does not do anything for me. So what the heck's going on here? So the raycast seems to be happening. Actually, wait, I should clear the thing. You love 90s to 2000 trance music? Yeah, I can see that. I'm actually listening to a song right now that's basically that. So I want to skip it. Nah, you get the gaff. You get the goof. The issue is though, is that now that I'm looking at this, the mask layer needs to be a number. I think mask needs to be like 2, and then just self. I think is literally just what it is. Will that work? Let's see if this works, because I don't know. A lot of this is me blindly poking the system to see what will work and what won't. Well, that very clearly isn't working. Oh wait, what? Is it? I think it actually is working, but it's jumping either way, which is not what I want. Alright, let's see this. So let's ignore that, because that's annoying. And let's get print. So we don't care about jumping. We don't want that. We want to clear the self.linear velocity. Whoops. Pound it. There we are. And is that the only print statement? Cool. It says camera found, so that should be awesome. Okay. So is this jumping every single frame, or it's just going very quickly? No, okay, so it's only happening when I'm grounded. It's just okay, so the raycast logic is fine. It's just I don't understand this right here. So like, how do I from a raycast get if like the hit is okay? That's the main question for me. If raycast result equals okay. I did not mean to quit that. Oops. There we are. Equals okay. Let's try okay. Maybe this will crash the game. Maybe this will work. We'll see. It crashed the game. Dictionary and int operator. Okay, so okay, yeah, that's. I hate it when you do that. Invim. Let's see. Config. No, not config. It's what am I thinking of? 09 movement. Or sorry, just 9 underscore movement. 9 movement, and then from here, we're going to go to capital Y. Okay, so this is apparently a valid. That is right, a valid. Wait, how is this running even if it fails? Because that should not be running unless... Excuse me? Oh, because movement Y position equals there. Okay. Did that just fix it? I just accidentally had it double pasted for some reason? I think that's what just happened. I think I was being an absolute gaffer. And I was being absolutely, silly. Grade A silly material. Oh. Yep. Oh, look at that. The jump's working. You can hear me spamming the button to jump. I can't keep jumping. Yay! Wee! Look at that. Look at that. I'm working. I'm doing things. Look at this. We got level! Or not level, but we got movement. Okay. Well, I have now fixed the ground stuff. So now let me follow this forward. Is there anything else that that y'all would like to see first? Because actually, I'm just gonna do another poll. Volbite, what is code actually? Yeah, it's shocking to me too. Am I finally getting okay with Godot? What to do next? Question mark. Okay, so I have 3 options I can do, all of which will do something drastically different. The first option is interactions. Press E for, press F to interact. The next one would be the trim sheet again, which would be starting to add visuals to everything. And then the last option, let's see, I'm gonna do Giraffics. And then the last option would be work on networking interface. Those are the 3 options, and networking interface will be a giant fucking shit show. Just for the warning, that will be another like 10 episodes of not doing anything. So there is your warning. I like kissing Godot forms, don't I? Or you like kissing Godot forms, don't you? Sometimes. It depends how useful they are. Ooh, Giraffics. Adam, you voted for Giraffics? You voted for the Giraffics plus? Or didn't you? I don't know. Man. I know, crazy? Yeah, I mean, I guess I was kind of expecting that to take way longer. So, yeah, so where was I going to go with this? So, yeah, I mean, screw it. Let's go for Giraffics. Let's go for the Giraffics team. Nah. No, I was going to do. So, with the first area, the TLDR is that most of it's going to be concrete. So thankfully, that gets to be a relatively easy trim sheet for the most part. And then after that, it's going to be a fucking nightmare. So yeah, we're just going to have to suffer and see. And if Blender can open faster, that'd be cool. We will have to see. We will have to see. See. Oh my gosh. Can I just launch you through Steam instead? 3, 2, 1, go. Blender, go! Right, I'll force quit you, because I don't know what you're on about. Oh, I just realized I'm probably recording this. I don't need to record this. Let's not record this. Blender, did you launch? Blender. You did not launch. Where did you go? Where are you hiding? What are you up to? Where are you at? Where are you at, wee little Blender? Blender. Gotta call her like a cat. Blender. Get over here. I need your bones. There you are. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so here's this. So let's get this all set up. So, let's select all. Whoops, did not mean to do that. Okay, let's select all. Excuse you, what? Delete file. All right, we're gonna go top down. We're gonna insert a camera. That camera I'm then going to set as my viewport. I'm gonna then pull the camera up. And then I'm gonna set this to be like an 8K, actually I guess a 4K texture. We'll do 4096 by 4096. 4096. Yeah, that's a bit of a difference. 4096 by 4096. 4096, there we are. 496 by 496. I'll pull you in. Actually, no, I'm setting it to ortholinear, so who gives a crap? Orthographic. Oh, look at that! Like perfectly lines up with the box. Awesome. That's actually fucking amazing for me. I open Blender, make coffee, and then 30 minutes. It's standard routine. Yeah, not because it takes a while to load, just because of procrastination. Anywho, where are we at? So what I want to do now is I don't need to animate any of this, so let's not worry about animating this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some stuff up for the trim sheet. So I'm going to go on the y-axis. Oh, are you a bit short? No, you're about right. It's just looked weird. Okay, and then we'll go like say that, and then I want to do an array. Array. And I just want 3 of them there. So we'll have, actually no, we'll go like this, now that I think about it. This is my first time ever working on a trim sheet, by the way. I know what they are, I just never played with them, so I have no idea what to, like, expect. So, we'll see. Anyway, so there's that. So let's go like that for the first one. So we got that. Then we'll have, this. Do I want there or do I want there? I think there. Let's go here so I can assign a rough color to these. Oh, is Blender going to crash? Don't tell me Blender's going to crash. Okay. Blender, when it hangs like that, is like often going to crash. And it's absolutely painful. Oh, you loaded from a USB? Yeah, I'm aware of that. That is painful. USB has come a long way, but it's still rough. Let's see. So now what I want to do is I want to do, what do you call it? I want to do yellow one down here. So what I'm going to be working on first, I'm going to be working on like the basement section, right? And what I want the basement section to be is I want to have like a bunch of like fills and stuff, right? So I'm trying to think of how I'd want to make that interesting, right? So, so I'm thinking what I'll do here is I'll have roughly a line like right here. Let me change that color so it's more visible. Let's do like a nice magenta. Blue? Sure, we'll do blue. A line here, so like this will be like the main wall texture, right? This right here will be like the trim, like trim A, right? Trim A. This will be like trim B, which will be like the scaffolding stuff. Then like this will be like, I'm thinking like right here, because this is like an 8K texture, right? This will be like numbers. I'm thinking right here will be stuff like it'll be kind of like trimmed into like sections like this, I'm thinking. And this will be like extras. And then over here will be like end caps, I think. Or would it be end caps? No, this will be right here will be junction. No, would that be a junction? No, that could be a junction. So this would be like a junction for like the beams that I'm thinking of. And then right here would be, what would I want this to be? This would be oh, I need a floor in here too. Shit. Okay. Let's see. Let's go like this then. We'll get rid of you. We'll say you're the wall. Then we'll say here, your wall trim. Let's see, wall, trim. And then here instead, what we'll do is we'll do, something kind of like this. And then we'll do like, ceiling. Ceiling, floor. What else am I missing? What else am I missing? I feel like there's something I'm missing. So we have the ceiling with the floor. We have all down that other section for the textures, right? What am I missing? So this could be cake. Not quite. Are you calling me skinny? Let's see. I'm gonna name this beam because beam makes more sense. That doesn't need to be that. What am I thinking here, though? It's floor. Maybe I'll make this the numbers. Nah, maybe not. Numbers and letters. I'll do that. Numbers plus letters. Letters. We got the floor there. We got the ceiling there. We got the wall. We got the wall trim. We got the beam. Maybe what I'll do here is I'll shove in a door. Do I want a door texture? Yeah. Not that kind of cake, then what are you thinking of, Adam? I don't know, I'll make this a question mark. Because I'm trying to think if there'd be anything else, but I don't think there is, so yeah. So I think this is an okay amount of spaceage. So yeah, let's just get going, I guess. So let's get back to adjusting this. So we'll grab you, we'll move you, oh yeah, I forgot that I made you an array. So let's maybe not do an array anymore. Let's see. So we'll grab all of you. We'll move you to like right there. We'll move you out there. So now that we have the wall, we got the beam. The beam is going to be an absolute pain in the ass to do, but we'll have to see how that goes, I guess. Let's see. And then, okay, yeah, I accidentally closed that menu. I was very thrown off for a second. You're going to be the beams. Let's see. I want to make you the freaking ceiling. Can I click you? There we are. Oh, wrong key. There we are. There. We got the ceiling there. Shift D, please. Nope. I want you to be on the Y. And the Y. There we are. I'm trying to get like some like kung fu macro stuff working. Okay, so then I want you to be like a dirty floor texture. Okay, well you're all the same thing. So let's separate these out now. So we got you. The ceiling I want to be like a really dark, like sort of like foreboding, doesn't really give you a good sense of the height type thing. The floor I want to be a darker color. Darker color being something kind of like there, but I want it to be like a cold, like steel sort of look. Maybe do I want to be a little bit lighter? Maybe I want to be a little bit lighter. Like have you be kind of more like here-ish, and then I want the wall maybe to be like a little darker. No, because I want to be damp. So I want you to be a little bit lighter. I want you to be a little bit darker. I don't think it's the purple that I'm driving with. I think I want it to be almost more like a yellowish green. Yeah, I think something like that. Nice and cold. Then let's see. So we got that. We got the beam. Let's see. Let's get rid of some of you. Okay, so then we got this here, which is all the wall trim. So let's move that in. Oh, I got another array set up here. Gosh darn it. Gosh dang it, darn it. Okay, so now we got you. Let's move you to like right there. This is what's going to be much more eye level with the players, so let's fix that. I don't know what I'll put there. Then we have numbers and letters. So I'm trying to think of what I would want to do with numbers and letters. I don't know. I guess just industrial lettering would be better. So yeah, so what I'll do is I will temporarily, to be very clear, this is temporary. I will very temporarily just put my font in there. And then we'll move forward from there. Where the frick is text again? Oh, okay, so that's because I'm in edit mode. That's probably why I can't see text. Let's see. So we'll go down to, say, like there. Whoops, there I said. And then we'll go over this way. Yep. And then let's just do this. So we'll just do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K... L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. There we are. Let's then scale you down. And then we then also have to do the numbers. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There we are. And I'm going to replace that with my font, because my font is the cool font. Null texture, yeah. just the empty texture of you just don't exist here. Let's see. So we got that. Let's open up a new font. Where's my font? Open Dyslexic wouldn't be a bad font either, actually, but I want to do new font. New font regular. Let's go. There we are. Oh yeah, I forgot that it doesn't load happy sometimes. Well, we will do this. Shoot. What do I want to do about you? Is there any way I can easily fix that? No, because those are all just whatever. So, autofill text on curve, underline position. I don't think any of these would fix it. Text boxes overflow. Animation. Yeah, I don't think any of those would fix the properties. Back, front, both, fast ending. Oh, that'll actually work as a temporary thing. It won't be perfect, but if I can solidify that, that'll make it workable. Let's see. So let's add a modifier of solidify. Let's see. Can I make you actually thick enough to notice? No. Okay. I'm trying to think of how I need to like compensate for this, because this is like, ooh, this is bad. Let's see. So what if I clear you? I then just duplicate you and drag you off screen. Whoops. Let's go like there. And then what if I went into here? I did object convert to curves. Because it should be a convert to curves, right? Shade flag effect convert. Or not curves, I want mesh. Whoops. Blender. Even though it's me. Convert to mesh. And then now let's try solidify. Solidify. Is this gonna work? Oh, that almost works. Why is it trying to go that way? Alright, well, it's not connecting, so that's not gonna work. Shoot. Okay, well, I guess I will not use my font for now. Big cry. Big sad. Oh, also, Adam, I see that redacted message. Let's see, I guess I'll choose Open Dyslexic, because I kind of like that font, and it's an open source one, so... let's see, I don't want italic, bold, no, we're just, like, default. Regular. There we are. Oh no, not Open Dyslexic, that's not the one I was thinking of. What am I thinking of then? It was, I know Geist is an open source font, which would look good in, like, a black. Ultra black, yeah. Yeah, I think that one works. I think that works. Oh, I should do... Oh, no, it is Geist Mono. Okay. So, Geist Mono works for the most part. You're thick enough to notice. Is that what you said? Anyways, where are we going with this? So, back to the camera view, please. Okay, there we are. So, we got that now. We got the numbers and the letters. Those should be okay. Trying to think. Let's see. So we got the numbers and the letters. Okay, so we can now erase that. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. What else am I missing? Why do I feel like I'm missing stuff? Why do I feel like I'm missing stuff? What am I missing? What am I missing? Adam, what am I missing? You're supposed to be smart. Let's see. So we'll do a sun there. Neutral lighting. We'll set the world to be like... Oh no, the world's black already, isn't it? Like if I just go over to here. Sun, disable. Yeah, okay. The sun is emitting no light. Let's see. Okay, so we got... Whoops. Thank you, Blender. Thank you, Blender, again. We got the letters. I need to set the letters to be something, though. So we'll set the letters to be a perfect white. Let's see. There we are. Dorito Cheeto, thank you. Oh my god, you saved the game right there. If it wasn't for you, it'd be over. Let's see. There's that. Okay. Let's see. We got the beams. What else am I missing? What else am I missing? There's something I'm missing. Why can I not think of it right now? It's tripping me out so badly right now. Why does it say June there? Oh, it's supposed to be junk. Okay. My E's and C's look very similar, so I was tripping myself out there. Let me actually look up one thing real quickly. If I want to look up Godot, how to edit UVs. Because can I edit UVs? They do not include any UV editor. Shame. Well, at least I can export stuff relatively easy and just use the same texture for like everything. An Easter egg and on part use of the texture. That is true. I could definitely do that. Let's go back to the camera view. Okay, so what I'll do now, I suppose, is I will do a sick as heck texturing work. So what I'll do real quickly here is I will do where's a sculpt brush? So we'll do let's see, we're gonna do what do you call it? We're gonna do frick, what is it called? What is it called? What's it called? I don't know. We're going to do I just realized, why am I doing this here when I have Substance Designer? That's so strange. And I could easily just throw the Substance Designer. Not really. Can't. Not really. Can't. Not really. Can't. Actually, no, I could do this in Substance Designer. It would be very taxing, though. Ooh, do I want to do this in Substance Designer? Oh, that's scary. Actually, no. You know what I'll do? You know what I'll do is I'm putting the cart before the horse here, right? I shouldn't be focusing on this like this right now. I shouldn't be. What I want to do right now is I want to just get these as like a very basic texture, right? And then after I get this basic texture done, then what I want to do is I then want to start focusing on stuff like doing the fancy shit, right? Like that's the line, right? Because right now what I'm doing is not the smartest thing. So with the letters and the numbers, what I'll do is I'll make a mesh as well. So I know I said textures there. Those are going to be more like decals, honestly. So we'll just go like G. We'll go like that. We'll go well, not like in edit mode. We'll go S.5. There we are. Whoops. G. Oh no, I can do GY minus 1 minus 0.5. Yeah. GX minus 0.5. There we are. So let's see. So we got that. We got that. We got that. Shift D X. Yeah, there we are. Or I can let you do the work. What work specifically are you thinking of? Because I got no idea what you're referring to. Let's see. So I actually did these all in the same freaking thing. Selection, P selection, P selection. Cool. All right, now those are all separate objects. So we'll just make these different colors. So we'll make you like, I don't know. We'll do like, I'll just make this hyper basic. We'll do a red. We'll do a green. So we'll do a 00FF00. We'll make this FF0000. Oh no, not that. FF0000. There we are. We'll make you 00. Whoops. 0000FF. The work. You're right. You can in fact do that. 000227F. Why do I have a feeling that's your color, Adam? 00027. F. I actually don't know what that color is. Neat. That actually is almost like the ceiling texture that I was thinking of, though. So maybe that can live on as the ceiling texture. Let's see. We'll yank you. I'll make you the ceiling texture because you're actually close to what I was thinking of for the ceiling. Or actually, no, the floor. The floor was what I was thinking of. Neither do I. Cool. Well, it's in the game files now. Let's see. So we got those for like base textures. Is there anything else I'm missing? No? Okay, whatever. So what I'll do real quickly now is I'll do some very shiny texture painting. So I'll go here. We'll do Command T, I think it is. No. Why did you do that? Command T. We'll do new. We'll do new. Which we'll just name like beam. Cool. And then now with the beam being the texture, let's go over here into texture paint. There we are. Oh, you're actually almost the perfect color for what I was hoping for, actually, so awesome. So go like that. And then what I want to do now is I want to go in with here. I want to go like blackish. There we are. You see, this is what we call professional game deving. Right there, look at that. Look at that. You gonna tell me that isn't a perfect beam texture? You don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. And then what I also want to do though is I want to then I want to do S. I want to do a color ramp. I want to take in the alpha from you. I then want to, I believe it's preview you. I forgot the key to preview is. And this is like you hold control shift. Yeah, control shift to preview. Then what I want to do is I then want to do a constant or a constant switch. Constant? Yeah, we're. I just want to draw the line where the colors change. Well, alpha doesn't make much sense because that's how that goes. There we are. There. Really? There we are. Perfect. And then that I want to then transition into transparent. Mixed shader is what I'm thinking of. Mixed shader. So you're the factor for the mixed shader. So let's see. I'm gonna move you up here actually, and then after I get that, random color code again. Nice. And then so you're not gonna be that actually. You're gonna be the factor. And then you're going to be shader. You need to be the other shader. Yeah, there we are. And then you up here, you're just going to be a frickin' transparent. Transparent. Yep. And then that should be see-through now. Yep, perfect. Perfect. You see that? That is game deving. There we are. Let's see. And yes, I am intentionally trying to make these effectively dog water, so that way I'm encouraged to replace them later. Because if I don't, then they will look very rough. That's water you're looking for. Is that your color? I'm just curious now. I'll paste this random hex code in and I will see what it is. Excuse you? Okay, I didn't copy the whole thing. 56B, 7FC. Yeah, that's your color. That's your color.
That's your little boober.
That can live there until I find a space for it, until I find a reason to, like, move it. Let's see, so we got floor. Okay, so then ceiling. What do I want to do for the ceiling? What I'll do for the ceiling is so, I'll do a similar thing, where I'll make a node. I will name this, ceiling. Ceiling, that looks very wrong. CEI? Ceiling? Yeah, that looks about right. New image. So that's black right now. So what I'll do is I'll go back into here. I'll go into texture paint. Whoops. Texture paint. Then we'll make you a dark color. You be more muted than that. You're not muted enough. Yeah, there we are. Darker like that. And then we have all that. And then what I'll also do, just as a side thing, is I'll get like a yellow, like a bright yellow, and I'll just go like dink, dink, and then like dink. And those are going to be like kind of like lights on the ceiling, right? And then again, I know these are very primitive, but the idea is to just have these be like placeholders for now. Not get too ambitious while I work on the game, and then re-implement these later as like a better thing. So let's do this now. We'll do this. What I'm actually going to do, instead of that, is I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go Shift A. I'm going to do a noise texture. I'm going to do a color ramp. Like so. Primitive is an understatement. No. This is perfect. You see, Adam, you don't understand. This is what peak performance looks like. Whoops. Let's see. We'll go like there. And let's see, color can go into here. The color there can go there. That's a little gross. Actually, yeah, you know, we'll go back to the image texture. We'll do that. They're prehistoric. Rude. Let's see, we're just gonna name this one floor. Awesome. Okay, epic texture paint time. We're just gonna go like that. We're gonna go like that. Actually, I'll go something like this. Actually, wait, I have a better idea. Because I'm thinking about this now. I think what I would like to see more is I'd like to see like kind of a like dotted line, kind of like this, and then I'd like to see like a little like person that's kind of like this. And I'm trying to think of what like, the walking symbol looks like. It's something like that. Body's out like this. Leg is out like that. Kind of stepping. And then, you know, it's like it's a person on a little journey. So like the idea is, 'cause like this is like supposed to be like an industrial complex, like that's the line. So yeah, so there's that really shitty previs done. Wall trim is just going to be wall trim, so that's going to be just 2 seconds to bang out. So let's go object mode. We'll go like this. We will go to not black. What am I thinking of? We need to go over here. We need to do Control Shift T. No, not Control Shift T, just Control T. There we are. We'll do another new one. We'll just name this one wall underscore trims. Sure, 1024 by 24 is fine. Then once again, we're going to go back into here. We're going to go into texture paint. Oh, that's vertex paint, texture paint. And then just freaking neum. But I can kind of see right there where the texture loops. So let's do something like that. But I can actually see it all together. So I'll go like there. There we are. I don't know. Oh, I do sec. Okay, wait. I can do this much better. I can go like that. Then here I'll go like this. Then, okay, I don't want to actually quite go... Do I want to go more tilted? Is that what I'm thinking of? Yeah, I want to go more tilted. Then I can go like that. Then I can go like that. Then I can go like that. Do I want to go like that, maybe? I think like that kind of works. Yeah, let's go like that. Like that, and then like there-ish. And that now lines up enough. It's not perfect, but it's enough. These textures were made around the same time as the plants died that became the fossil fuels. Oh, shush you. It's actually funny because most of these are like 1080p textures, so it's like, not quite. Okay, those are perspective grids. Actually, it's close enough to what I want. Let's go to here. We'll get rid of you. Let's see. Where am I going with this? So we're at the 09, which is 183, I think. Yeah. And then 09 game, and then this will be miss assets, and then this will be pre-previs pre-previs underscore trim underscore sheet. Because all that this will do is this will at least let me just kind of visualize stuff and be like, okay, this is this, that is that, things like that, right? So we got all the numbers and letters there, so I can easily use those if need be. We got the extras all here. Okay. So the red, the green, the blue, and the whatever will be whatever. That's fine. What I actually want to do real quickly as well is I want to go back to the rafter here. And I just want to add like a tiny bit more detail to it because I'm not going to be super fond of it. So let's see. We're going to go back to texture paint. And then I want to go to a sort of darker reddish color. Not too dark, but darker. Like this. That's kind of like, nyeh. Whoops, too dark. Actually, no, I can just level, so we'll go like, nyeh. 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 And then... yeah, I think that's basically that. Okay, cool. And then, so with that being said, now, I just need to adjust the levels on a tiny bit, because the levels are a little bit off. Oh, excuse me, Blender. Blender. Beautiful technique, I know, right? Well, I mean, hey, I literally just ordered that pen on stream, so you can't hate on me too much. Let's see, there. Beautiful. Absolutely brilliant artist, right?
One day I'm gonna grow up and I'm gonna work in the game industry.
Actually, here, I'm going to do this as well, just because this is going to bother me as well. Is just if I go over here, I'm just going to set you to like a pure white, and then just freaking doink. Oh, that's because I'm not selected you. Texture paint, white. No, you're not white. I want you to be a pure white. I want you to be pure. There we are. There we are. There we are. Awesome. If you squint hard enough, you can barely see effort. It is bold of you to assume there was any effort in this. No, for context, in the future, I'm gonna actually like 3D model this and like try and like cast like images and stuff from this. But until that happens, I don't give a fuck. So let's see. So now we're here. What I very quickly want to do is I just want to go like S. Or no, I want to go for a color ramp. And then I want to shove that color ramp right there. I want to set you to constant again. And then I want to go something like this, where I drag you along so the color reports as brighter. There, something like that. And then we'll add one more little line. And this will be like the yellow. Yeah, like that. And then that actually, though, needs to go into the roughness. Oh no, you need to be inverted and go to the roughness. Actually, yeah, sorry. I forgot what I was doing that for. It was not for the color. It was for the roughness. Because I'm tripping. But you need to be inverted. So, invert color. There we go. Perfect. Because now that looks bright. Okay, you don't want to be a pure black. I can tell that very clearly immediately. So let's make you more like a mid-gray. Yeah, we'll do something like there. Cool. Okay. I think that's good enough. What I want to do for the wall real quickly as well is I just want to do... I freaking hate it when it does that. For the wall, I just want to do one more texture, which I'll name wall. And then what I'll do is I will just do a freaking texture paint one more time. This texture paint, I'm going to make like a mid-high gray. Just freaking... And then I also want to make like a dark grayish, slightly blue tinge. Actually, it'd be like a blue-green tinge, so let me fix that. Not a purple, a blue-green tinge. More blue, more blue, more blue there. Something like there-ish. And then this was be a little shaky mouse thing like that. The reason being is that that will help me tell orientation. And that's what that's basically meant to be for. Yeah, I think that works out. Yeah, so that'll help me tell orientation. By the way, can you end the poll? I might be able to, yes. I'm curious how many people voted. Only you. Awesome. But yeah, so there's that. Okay. It is ugly, but it works.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
No. Let's see. So we will... Whoop, not save as. We will just save... Save... and then we'll render. Because I've not worked with trim sheets like at all. Render image. Awesome, look at that. Is that okay, that's actual transparency. I was worried that wasn't actual transparency for a second, and I did like the Google thing where it's like,
Who the fuck bakes in the triangles?
Let's see. Let's see. Viz underscore trim underscore sheet. Yeah, cool. Uh, but you that some hyper realistic back D lighting, yeah. Are you having a stroke? Whoops. Where did it go? Where did it go? There it is. Blender, I hate when you do that. Please stop doing that. Yeah, the letters aren't very crisp, but I'm planning to make this like an 8K texture at the end. The idea is that instead of like many textures, it'll just be like one 8K texture per level, and then just use that. The glorious mega texture. I think I saved this, didn't I? Save as, yeah. Previs. Right.
16-bit PNG.
Yeah, baked lighting. Oh, baked lighting, hyper realistic baked lighting. Yes. I see now. Anyways, yes. So, where am I going with this? So what I want to do now. Gadot. You good? Gadot. Yeah, I wonder why you can't import a .blend file. That's crazy. Let's see. Okay, so we have 9 movement working. Oh, you know what I want to do actually real quickly as well too is I'm gonna just make a couple sound effects real quickly. So what I want to do is let's see, rename. We'll name this one jump. We'll rename this one to step. Let's see. I want to do space there. We have step. We have jump. We have what am I thinking of? We want interact. Then we want actually I just realized those are both audio channels, so I don't want either of those to be set up yet. So is it not? Oh yeah, because of that. Let's see. We'll then do a what do you call it again? Interact. And then you know, I kind of want to do something cute where I'll do panting. Do like Splatoon, just have scribbles as letters that mean nothing. That is tempting. That is very tempting, but that's also lazy. I do not wish to load my phone right now, thank you. There we go. Okay, so now what I want to do, real quick, now that I have the Ableton open up, is I want to pause my music, because this is audio work. I'm not pause it, but turn it way down. And then let's see, so we now need the step. So, what is like the weirdest, Adam, what is one of the weirder tempos that you can think of? I'm thinking like 150. 147. Yeah, 147 is cool. Let's see. So we're gonna do like 16th notes, I think. Or no, we'll do kick drum notes. Bump, 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 bump. Let's just grab a vital now. 82. 82 could work. Well, I want to hear how this sounds quickly. So let's turn you way down. Not you actually. Let's turn the master down because I don't want to blast ears. I know you won't be able to hear anything, so let me actually just pause my music so you can hear. Let's see, window capture. Let's see. I didn't set this one to Q. Step, 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 step. That can work. Also, isn't 82 doubled would be like 164? Yeah, that kind of works. And then what if we double that? Because I'm thinking the sprint will sound doubled. Yeah, that sounds okay. Let's see. So we're gonna copy paste, or we're gonna copy that. We're gonna paste that. We'll name this one running. We'll name this one stepping. You can't hear Ableton. You should be able to. Here, let me turn it up. That should fix it. Let's see. Oh, vital. You do that sometimes. There we go. Rave going hard, right? No, what I actually want to do is I want to start off with like a noise. There we are. 48? 36. 24? Oh, I plan to add some stuff too. I'm just trying to get the timing right. Add a clip of me saying footsteps. It's just like step, and it's just every time something happens, just step, 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 step. Let's see. Let's actually turn this into quarter time because I want to hear what the regular one sounds like. That's okay. That's not bad. I think that's a little better. I'll go back to running. Yeah. I like that. I like that. That sounds better. Let's add a tiny bit of overdrive to it. Ooh, maybe modulate it. Oh, I like that. Needs a bit of randomness, yeah, but I'm gonna do the random in game. So the idea is that I'm basically gonna shorten this to one step. Actually, I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. Honestly, now that I think about it, but I was gonna shorten it to just one sample, and then the idea is that the sample will be effectively what it is. And then like that'll be the loop, right? So like there's a stepping. Yeah, so something like that. Then the next one will be jumping. These are all going to be like very 8-bit sounds for now until I find like something better to do. So we'll just do something like, what key are you in? You're an F. Okay, I don't know why I defaulted to F, but sure. So I'm thinking something like this. We'll go something like that. This. You need to be a lot tighter. You can always handcraft sound effects. I mean, I'm doing the same thing right now. We're cruising. Let's see. Let's turn you off. So, what I want to do right now is I actually want noise again. Why can't we hear that noise? Did I mute it? No. Why is the noise running? There we are. I don't know why that was the wrong color for that. Samples my doggo. Why, thank you. No, I want to go like this. I want it to be like very fast. Greater pitch. Lower to like 32. Oh no, I need to change that to be a... What do you call it? I want to turn smoothing basically off. What am I thinking of? I need to change it from... I need to change this to be like a... like seconds. Because what I then want to do is I then want to bind this to the... Yeah. Maybe not quite like that. Let's do... Yeah, LFO frequency. I'm just trying to remember what it is. So... do something like that. I think that sounds okay. That sounds okay. Now let's add a little bit of distortion again. Let's do it. Let's just add the envelope to it. I think it needs a bit more pitch variance. I think it's too fast. Let me slow it down a lot. Ooh. Yeah, I think that's working pretty okay, actually. Whoop, not due to delay. Yeah, I liked that, but I think I want to be turned down a lot. Ooh. I'm sure this is very boring listening to me, like, awkwardly tune a noise sample. You know, you're not bad. Let's see. Yeah, I like this one. This one sounds a little bit more like fluttery. I don't know how to explain it, but that's just kind of how it feels. Maybe I should do a filter on it? What happens if I do like an attack filter on that? Let's see. 5% battery, let's go. Why did you have to do a Godot stream on a school night? X3 is 12 p.m. for you? Because, of course. Let's see, I want to make it to be flat. Oh, there we go. There we go, that sounds better. Don't you think? Don't you think that sounds better? Honestly, though, I do have work tomorrow, so I'm not planning to be too much more. I'm planning to go for probably another half hour. I want to implement these sound effects in a second, and I think that's probably where I'm going to call it. So let's see. We have jump. Yeah, I think that sounds about right. Oh, let's see, this from the sustain down. Yeah, I like that one. What did you redact, Adam? What did you do? Oh, I like that. I like the very tiny amount of delay. Let's see. So we got the delay. Then we need the interact sound. So I'm thinking the interact will be like either like a cute little like major chord or like a minor chord, something like a or like a no. I like that. I like that. I want it to be like shorter though. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So that'll be the interact. Let's see, let's rename this to success, and then we will whoops. And then we'll paste you down here, and we'll make this one failure. Rename, this one will be, excuse me, I did Control R, failure. Your brain is already making a whole song. That's that musician in you. So let's see, we're gonna do F here, and then like, I don't know, a D there. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I like that one because that's not rhythmic. You already thought of a whole progression? Of course, that's the music Grumble in you. Yeah, I like that, because those are very two different tones. Yeah. I want to make you a little bit more rough, though. I want you to be more crunched. Ooh, I like that. Let's add a touch of reverb to make it just not as bad. Yeah. This is working. Let's see. There we are. I want to take a little bit of that sharpness off, you know? Yeah, you work. Ooh. And that's it. Let's make you go up what I said. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Alright, let me go to the bathroom real quick and then we'll try one thing when I get back. Because I had a brainchild just now and I'm very curious. I see my mannequin took over. Where am I going with this? Yes, I want to do that. That thing. There we are. Okay. You already thought of a whole progression? Hell yeah. You already said that. Objective complete. What is the objective? What is the objective, or is that what you're in response to the sound effects thing? Anyways, see, and I also want panting, so I want to go. I think like a let's go like here. The sound makes you think of that? Yeah. I mean, kind of. The idea is I want to be like oh, success, like you've successfully interacted. All right, let's see. So what I want to do is I want to do. I think the low pass filter would be good for this. And I want you to be sync. All right, not you. I want you to be core. No, half. I should probably make this a bipole. Actually, I'd probably double the time rate on you, actually. Because that's not really a panting, you know, that's more of like a casual breathing. And you look like a... did I not select this? Is it right there? Oh, that's a weird place. Nope. Now you need double. I wish you could be a tighter band. Give me a tighter band. Yeah. A little less range. 3% battery. Get a charger! Get a charger! There we are. I like that. And then what I want to try was there's a thing that gave me a brainchild with this, so I want to hear it. Let's see. I want to go here, group you, rename you to pound SFX. Floor is too far away. Well, just roll. What I want to do real quickly though is I want to offset this by freaking half a beat, and then loop you. There we are, and I want to go for drums. Sure, you work for now. Because I have a brainchild right now, and I must execute on it so I can at least be, like, somewhat content. Do you sound good? I don't know if you... I don't know if you're the right one, but we'll go for it. You, and then you. Wait, no, I don't like you. Let's make you a little bit... I'm not digging this because this is a very awkward beat. Let's see, what if I try to do something like this? I'm not sure if I'm digging this. Am I digging this? Am I digging this? No, I don't think I am. What if I were to go something like, just make an art? Why does that not sound like it's updating? Weird. Ooh, I kind of almost like this is a health low thing. Ooh, I kind of like this actually. Let's see. I actually like this for like health. Low, health. But I think some glide would sound good on this actually. Maybe change the shape. Oh weird, I keep turning that on without actually like hitting it. No, I like the softness of it. I actually just really like these sound effects, honestly. I might just keep them. Like, being real. Low health, dangerous health. And then I want, like, the last one, critical health. Let's see, critical underscore health. And let's see what I can do with that one. Let's see, so you're on an E. This one I have selected, and then this one's on an F. So does it sound like it gets more intense? So we have a... that needs to be more accentuated. If I had like a... Ooh. I like that, actually. Oh, wait, what if I did something where it's like, each one gets like a little bit more like punctuated or whatever. So you have like something like this. Ooh. And then after you get a little bit lower, then it goes like this. Then after that, it goes to this. Ooh, I like that, honestly. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I don't want delay, I want attack. Ooh, I like that a lot. Ooh, wait, I had a better idea. What if I also grabbed, say, in Vital, because I know I can do macro binding. What if I frickin' grab this macro? Grab that macro. And then, what if I did something like Unison? And I bound this macro to the Unison value. Like this. Oh, wait, no, I didn't mean to bind it like that. I meant to do, is it this one I'm thinking of? Yeah, like that. And we do something like that. I'll make you also like 0%. So I want to make you sound as urgent as possible. Ooh, I'm liking this a lot, actually. And for dangerous health, back it off. And for low health, ooh, I like that. I actually do like that a lot. I'm not just saying that to kiss my own ass. Let's see. So we'll go like there. I will add a. Where the frick is the automation side again? I need the help bar on. Where's the help side? See, velocity randomize. Yeah. I don't care about that. I want. See, I get this. This is like the clip settings, but like, where's the frickin'? What do you call it? Where's the frickin'? Modulate this knob here. Let's see. Show automation. There we are. So we got that one. Then here I want to go at 50%. Then here I want to go at 100%. I think that's a good idea. I'll tell you what. Yeah? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Hell yeah. Let's see. I'm just going to rename this one to like health. Let's see, health. Warning. There we are. Alright, let's see. I'm curious if these line up at all. Because if they lined up, that'd be really cool. Let me make you longer. I'm actually liking the idea of doing this and then making this like a loop. Or to do something like this. Zoom in. Oh, I just realized I accidentally pasted that on the wrong channel. So we're gonna do something like this. Make it like stepping for like half. And switch over and then change to running. Let's see. Come on. There we are. Awesome. And I'm thinking that we can do something like this. Yeah. I was... Oh, you're on the wrong channel. Oops. Oopsies. There we are. And let's see the loop. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so something I don't like immediately, actually, after doing this experiment, is that the sounds don't sound necessarily distinct enough. Alright, so I need to make jumping more distinct. What if we give it like a long-ass tail? Oh yeah, that sounds out now. That's good. That's good, actually. Alright. Oh, I like that, actually. Make it a little bit more punchy. And I want to add, like, a monsters theme, right? So let's do this. Let's not do an audio track. Let's do a MIDI track. And then this will make, chasing, I guess? What is it? Yeah, chase, I guess. And then let's rename or recolor you to say, I don't know, like a red for like, what the fuck? And then let's see. So I'm thinking now, so you're obviously a bass track, right? I'm thinking something where it's like there's gonna be multiple types, but I'm just thinking this would be a good way for me to like test the AI, right? So what if I were to do this? And then I were to add a vital to that. Let's see. Let's see. No, let's see, let's turn you down a little bit. See, you're like too high pitched for me right now. I need you like down like even more. I think I want something slower, like you're being... Is this what I'm looking for? I don't know if this is what I'm looking for. I need to experiment a little bit more. Oops. Hey, what do you sound like on your own? The whole chase. I think I almost need a half you. But I need to do like a very like aggressive like growl sound, right? Also, why do you not sound oscillating? Alright, so you don't play well together, that's the issue. Alright, so then I'm gonna undo you, and I'm gonna make you oscillator 3. Yeah, kinda like this vibe now. This vibe's a little better. It's a little bit more, you know, like, you know, it inspires discomfort, is what I'm trying to say, basically. Let's see. So what do you sound like if we disable you? So this isn't being applied right now. Why is that not being applied? Excuse you? I'm definitely adjusting you. You can't convince me that. Or so you can't convince me I'm not. What if I change this to a sync, actually? And I were to go something like this. I were to go like 1-1. Oh, I kind of like that vibe, actually. I don't like how you're not doing anything. Better. What if I do though? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's getting meaty.
Ooh, that's getting spicy.
Ooh, I kind of like the phaser. What if we were to make this one instead of a quarter, maybe like half? Ooh, I kind of like that. We need to make you a sync though. Ooh. Close. Ooh, this is getting close to something I like. Let's remove that one, actually. I don't think you're actually helping. Ooh, I kind of like the idea of messing with the LFO there. Let's do something like this. So we'll do something like we'll do something like this, where it's like, we'll do like a, noticed, what was it, pursuit, and then here we want to be, close. Because I'm thinking something like this might fucking hit. Ooh. Ooh. Whoops. Let's see. What if I go somewhere? Ooh. What would be something like this? Ooh. I'm liking the direction this is going. Because this, like, inspires anxiety. Oh yeah, I think what I actually like is I think I like the idea of this one being the noticed one. Whoops. I think I like this one being the noticed one. And then this one I want to be like the halftime one where it's like, oh shit, things are getting like intense. And then the clock's into like overdrive for the other one. Yeah, so like you're running away, it's like and then it's like, oh god, that sounds not good. That sounds not good. That sounds not good. And then it's like raw panic. What happens if I were to maybe lay one of these fatter, like, for the whole period? Yeah, actually sounds okay. That actually sounds okay. Alright, I think this is playing at a bad time, though. I forgot to get all the notes and automation. There we go. Turn that off. No, not modulation. What am I thinking of? MIDI control. No. Where am I going? What do I have to adjust to get out of here? Oh, notes. There we are. There we are. Alright, I don't like you. Let's see. Would it sound better if I added a little bit of bass notes here? Ooh, I just realized I should do half notes here instead. Instead of the full notes. Let's see, what if I do that? Yeah. Because then it's like, okay, yeah, we're calm. We're not amazing, but we're calm. And then it's like, oh, something's happening. And then here it's like, oh, fuck, I'm dead. What if I maybe do like a bit of like a spicy, where to go something like, say, actually I'm doing that wrong. No, I'm doing that right. Like this. Ooh. Ooh, a little spicy. I'm gonna do a new one actually. I'm gonna group this together. I'm just gonna name this one Monster. Percentage Monster. And I'll name this channel Stomps. Stomps. So I want this to be like a really like I want this to basically be like the kick, right? I mean, it's falling like whoomp. Let's see. Something like that. Let's see. See, I want this to be more overwhelming. Maybe we can make this like triple notes or something. Ooh, triple notes would be spicy for a bass. I don't think I'm necessarily enjoying the triplets grid there. I'm just trying to think of like how I'd want this character to like be, like the monster. Yeah, I want to be punchy. See, and then I want definitely some distortion on it. Tempting. Maybe not. Yeah, no, I'm thinking hard clip. Or not hard clip, linear fold. I'm thinking this, but I feel like I need something else. Yeah, I think something like that. Yeah. Ooh, do I like this? Do I like this? It's also a limiter on this because it's being a bit aggressive. Good thing I turned the audio down, am I right? Limiter. Hey Nacho, how's it going? You doing well? Oh, that's some reduction on that. Let's see. Yeah, well, that's good to hear. I was doing some sound design work. It doesn't sound like too much right now, but long story short is working on a game, right? What I'm doing is like each one of these channels or something different, right? So like this one right here, like this is walking, and then it switches to running. So that's the running, right? This will be the sound effect for like when the character jumps. And then these are the interact sounds. So like it's you can tell by listening which one's like the accept and reject sound, right? Like yay, it's like aw, yay. You have a song for me? Feel free to toss in the Discord server. I'll check it out after the stream because I'm not going to check it right now. But hey, I'm always down to find music. This is like the character panting after like a chase, the panic, right? This one right here is like the chase music. I'm not sure how convinced I am of this one. I might actually change this one to be a triplets. Because a triplets is like a change of state. We'll have to see. It's gonna be hard to read. Let's see, maybe if I rebind this to that. Let's see. So it's like, oh no, I'm being chased. Oh shit, it's on me. Oh my god, it's on my ass. And then, hey, I think I made it away. What I want to do is I want to do something like this, where I just kind of lay out, like, you know, a very quick, like, I basically wanna like lay out like a micro story as it goes. So it's almost like I can tell like a circumstance within like the audio work, if that makes sense. Yeah, kind of like this. How do you sound as like a auditory story? Ooh, I'm kind of liking this. Oh, yeah, I think I'm digging this. I think what I want to maybe do is have you be longer. I think I maybe want you to be more of like a sweep. Because you're a little bit quiet as well. In reality, this should cut a bit through the mix. Maybe some compressor on it. Maybe not that much, but like a bit of a boost. Okay, so that's turned off. That might be why that isn't audible. Yeah. Okay, then what if I get the stomps? Whoops, did not want to do that. Ooh, I'm kind of digging this. It's in there, thank you. I'll check it out after the stream. Alright, so the failure sound needs to be turned up a bit. Like, up an octave. Okay. Oh, you're sounding good so far. I like you a lot more. Let's see, then we got, whoops. I want the dangerous health. You missed when you weren't scheduled to wake up earlier? I can imagine. So, Bubs, how's that sleep treating ya? Is it going well? Is it happening? Did everything you wish for and more? For context, Bubs, in case you're unaware, is I'm just trying to do some sound design stuff for the game. So the idea is I want this to be kind of like a layout for like what's supposed to be happening. You woke up and you're surprised it's the normal hours? Yeah. Yeah, I guess it kind of is. It is only 11. 11 for me is like fucking early. But I will say I have been fucking exhausted today. So that's also very thrilling. See, I feel like there's something I'm missing. Let's see, what if we try... you wish me luck? Why, thank you, Bubs. I wish you luck with your sleeps. I hope you were well rested. I just realized I probably turned the window capture down a little bit because I'm probably very loud by comparison, or very quiet compared to it. But yes, thank you. Oh wait, so I need like a pickup now. Like a pickup sound. So let's do another MIDI track. So I'm gonna name this one, whoops, not you. I want to rename you to character stuff. Character underscore stuff. Because you're gonna be, guess what? Stuff with the character. Alright, so then you're also gonna be a health warning. And then you're going to be an interact. Oh, hey, look at that. That's what time it is. So let's do pound, pickup. And then, so what I'm thinking of for pickup is I'll do, like, a nice little chord thing, right? So I'm thinking something like a da-da-da. But, like, you know, with chords. Because it's chords and stuff. You know? You know what I mean? You feel me? You feel me, Smalls? You feel me, Smalls? You feel me, Bigs? You feel me, Biggie Smalls? That does not sound very beautiful. Why do you sound so high-pitched? How high are you on the scale? Oh, that's why, because I'm in, like, C5 territory. Goddamn. Whoops. I'm gonna try to duplicate you up. I'm gonna delete you because I don't know. Actually, I actually don't know what I did. I'm just gonna do that. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I like you a bit. Do I need to make you like an augmented though or something? There's something I need to do to you to make you like interesting. I like how you stand out. Yeah, you sound okay. So now getting back to the sound design stuff. I think I like you. I think you just kind of straight up is kind of good, actually. You know, I don't hate you, actually. I'm surprised how much I liked you. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. Hmm. Ooh, this is kind of working actually. Ooh, this is kind of working. Guys, I'm only missing 3 bars. That'd probably help with if I had one more bar. Let's see. Let's get you out of here. Yeah, I think you work. I think you work. Oh, you're kind of working. So you go like that? Heck yeah. Gonna listen to the song? Alrighty. Well, if you're crawling up, then have fun. Let's see. I want to squeeze you over here, as in like they lost by the play or whatever. Let's see. Let's go something like this. And then drag you out just a touch more. Drag you in like that. Yeah, no, I think maybe this. I think maybe this needs to be brought out a bit. Yeah, you know what? I think this works. I think this is working. I'm gonna save this, and I think I'm gonna possibly end the stream there, because that just works, and I'm actually surprisingly happy with it. Let's see, I'm just gonna name this like sound font or something. Let's see, and then where's my projects folder? There's my projects folder, hell yeah. And then where the hell is my game folder? It's 183, right? Yeah. Music. I'm just gonna name this like basement underscore. Probably saying it's sublevel 1. Sublevel underscore 10, I guess. Dash. Sublevel 10 dash. I don't know. Compactor. I think something like that, yeah. I will say I am actually very happy with how this is sounding, though. Whoop, go away. I have my mixer there. I forgot about that. Yeah, you know, I think this is working. I think this is working. Do I have a chance at making this work? You know, I kind of want the stomps to sound wetter, honestly, because given the area. How would I make something sound wet? I'm guessing just like some randomized. Yeah, I guess something like that could work. Let's do something like that. Let's see. Oh, I should probably don't like that, huh? Whoops, not what I want to do. Let's see. There it is again. Oh. Ooh. There's like an essence there that like gives it like a wet sort of like ploppy sound. Oh. Ooh. You know, I think we managed to lock the wet sound. Somehow. I think I would want a little bit of delay. Let's try. You know what? I think this works, actually. I think this works. You know, I'm DTF with this. I think I'm actually DTF with this. I think what I want to do now is I want to add one last thing, and that thing is just going to be like a sort of like very simple melody. Let's see. So we're just going to go something like this. Let's see. Let's do something like this. Whoops. No, I need it to be basic shapes. I want to do a triangle wave. Something very loose like that, yeah. go like there. Yeah. And then what I want to do is I need this to be like stretched out like massively, because all this is going to be my freaking jam machine right here. Something that's like dun, 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 dun. That's what I'm thinking. Oh yeah, so it needs to be 4 measures. But then after I do that, it should be okay. Yeah, then right here instead I want to be like do, do, ding. I don't know those sound. Let's hear. You know, I could probably instead just. Do I want to use an arpeggiator? No, I don't, because if I use an arpeggiator, then it'll sound weird. Let's see though. That's not a touch too high. Yeah, that sounds about almost perfect, actually. Yeah, you know what? I think that works. Oh. Okay, what if I make this glide? You know, you kind of work for like a very basic thing. Ooh, I got those little twinkles. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm really liking this sort of like ambient vibe. Ooh, I'm digging this so much right now. I'm not sure what sound I want to go for the mid though, or the high. I like that subtle little bit of like crispness that like gives at the bottom end. Let's see. All right. Whoops. Ooh, spooky. Whoop. Does one sound good? Hmm. See, I want to harness that first note before it like shifts up. I really like this actually. Alright, now I just want to add some variance to this. And I think we're kind of rocking with it, honestly. Like, I need to do some call responsey stuff, obviously. But, like, if I can do that, then it's all good. Let's see. I'm digging this so much right now, honestly. I don't know why. I don't like that one. Let's see, what can I do to this one to make it more spicy? Let's try one octave down. I'm digging this. I'm actually incredibly down with this. I don't know why, but I am. Alright, let's see if I can maybe drag this out just a little bit more, just to establish a bit more of a mood. Let's see. So I want to just drag all of this, just like over, like one, please. What if I do something like this? If I do like that, I'll do like a succeed sound here. think something like this. Yeah, I think something like that. Sorry, I'm trying to play with sound design a lot right now. Dude, why am I digging this so much? I should not be digging this as much as I am. Yeah, no, I dig that. Okay, I'm gonna end there because I do need to get some sleep for tomorrow. But yeah, hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. I know that was an awkward turn of events, but hey, I made progress and fucking, I'm honestly really digging that. It ain't perfect, but it's actually it really helps me nail the vibe. So that's actually really dope. And yeah, if I have extra time this week, I'll do a little surprise stream and sneak a bonus stream in. But I have other things I definitely need to do, so no promises. Until next stream, oodly toodly doo, and bye bye to all of you. Oodly doodly 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 doo.